Pwede kang mag-live.
Huwag kang kabahan.
Mag-live na lang. Hindi na nakapagsalita.
Confidence,
Yeah.
confidence, never let the fear get away of our,
Thank you.
never get away of our.
Sayang, ang ganda pa naman. Diba yun? Ang ganda pa naman. Maganda siya.
Sayang.
By the 31st of age, and I am proudly representing Smart Hong Kong Group!
Isang oras ka na.
Master Weaver Magdalena Gamay of Ilocos Norte was honored as National Living Treasure in 2023. Her intricate siku spirals and sinasabong flowers exemplify the artistry of Inabel.
Talent wins game, but teamwork and intelligence win challenge.
Ate, ikaw lang
Good morning, everyone. Marjorie Gigi, 32 years of age, from the province of Agusan, and I'm proud to represent the basketball team, Legend Hong Kong!
Anong number niya?
Now let's welcome our muse number 12.
Video mo lang.
As Inabel spread across the Cordillera, each province developed its own distinctive style and meaning. From mountain province, weaving features, bold threads, and geometric diamonds, with each municipality showcasing unique patterns that reflect local identity.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Raquel Unarce, 30 years old, from Narsagaray, Bulacan, representing Tropic Team! Ako po ay nag-iiwan ng makadamdaming salita para sa ating lahat. OFW, tatlong letra, masarap sa tenga pero masakit sa damdamin. Ilang patak ng luha ang ipinahid sa ating mga mukha, kapalit na mapatunwaring ngiti sa ating mga labi. Kaya halintulad ko ang buhay natin sa laro ng basketball. Na ituring mo na ang bola ay isang responsibilidad na galing sa iyong pamilya na isinalubong kahit alam mong pagod ka na. Tinanggap mo pa rin. Para lang may panalo ang laban.
Ba't ako naglaul?
Ang init.
Inabel blends Ilocano and Philippine traditions, weaving together history and heritage. Motifs like cantarines stripes tell stories of community pride and cultural continuity.
Morning, everyone. My name is Rosel Valladolid, 34, from Paaw, Camarines Sur, representing Beacon Migrant Association, Hong Kong! At ng isang katagang, ang buhay ay parang chess. Dapat kaya mo mag-isip ng solusyon sa gitna ng mahirap na sitwasyon. And I thank you.
Now let's welcome our muse, Nami Rochelle Ruinato. In Benguet, Inabol presents chevrons, stripes, and floral motifs that speak of strength and unity. The colors, particularly red, black, white, and green, symbolize the resilience of the highlands.
Ang init nga.
If you have something really valuable to contribute to the world, it will come through the expression of your own personality. The single spark of divinity will set you up and will make you different from any other living creature. Mabuhat ang bigat sa kanakayo! Standing in front of you, my name is Rochelle De Castro, Ruinato, proudly representing Thrill Seeker! And before I left, or I leave, I just want to leave a reminder for each and every one of us. So, respect for ourselves, guides our morals, and respect for others, guides our manners. We gathered all together to have one goal, is to win, correct? So, we must not forget to act kindly and gently to each and every one of us. And I, Agyaman!
Inabol patterns depict rice terraces, mountains, and ancestral figures, echoing the landscape and spirituality of the people. These designs in black, white, and red embody a deep connection to nature.
Kanina si ano natin, di ba ginaganon ko?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako si Teresa Aranda, 34 from Northeast. Narito po ako sa inyong harapan bilang muse ng Team LC Hong Kong. Huwag po natin kalimutan ang laban ay hindi lang para sa panalo, kundi para sa dangal at sa kiisa. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Last but not least, Muse number is marked by bold geometric designs that carry symbolic meaning. Red signifies bravery, black the earth, and yellow fertility and wealth, woven into striking compositions. In Apayao, Inabol features hypnotic squares and bright colors woven from natural fibers. These textiles symbolize resilience and the cultural identity of the Snag people, keeping tradition alive in modern times.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Teacher Martinez Sinaban, representing the gateway of Cagayan Valley and the citrus of Philippines, Nueva Vizcaya. And I do believe that it doesn't take a strength to win the game. It takes the full heart of the team to win the game. Thank you. Arriba, Vizcayano!
Leaves embody embody centuries of tradition, artistry, and resilience. Each piece is not only a garment, but a story of communities, heritage, and the enduring spirit of Philippine textiles. Ladies and gentlemen,